Oh, yeah, wait.
Ready.
Let me turn the skull towards you.
Pivot around where it says "Doomed to the Nest." Hornet Slayer. Doomed to the nest. And a picture of what we hope will happen. Falling out. All right.
Love up.
Any last words?
Oh, I was
We
gonna
have
open
an
it up. Hey,
EpiPen.
y'all, what's it?
We got an EpiPen.
You got to stick your top
I know,
teeth
right
out
where
like
it's
this.
at.
Can you see it?
What is that bird it's calling?
That's a hawk.
Is it a hawk?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, isn't that
Boy,
making
he's
sense?
really been getting with it, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. They've swooped her before. So
If they do start swarming, where can they get in?
They can't.
they can't.
Well, I'll tell you where one got in on me, and that's my epic episode. Was he got in right there, but I made sure that you are fully
Tight.
tight
Yeah.
right there. Yeah, that's kind of
One of the facial
crucial.
contact.
Yeah. But the run up up the trail, I think is your
I don't
best
think you're going to have to run. I think they're going to go,
route of escape. So.
and it's going to be anticlimactic. I got to narrate.
Hey, y'all, think I'm do something cool? Ready?
Gonna slay you some hornets.
Get her
done.
C-I-L-L.
It'd be terrible to end up in emergency room because of gas.
Oh, miss.
All right. Anything about the wobbly button?
You need to step up on the step. You got it. There you go.
There we go. There's some coming to the button.
Yeah.
They missed the party.
They missed the party.
I haven't seen any come out. No.
Because they're trapped.
Couple hovering around there.
Just a couple.
I'll take a casual pose. They're attacking the bucket with fervor.
Yeah. I got to go in and look on the inside. Whoa.
Got a bucket full of bees.
How many's in there, you reckon?
I'd say most of them.
Trying to go back in. That's part of it. You guys are in a bit because now we can just knock it down. Huh? I guess now they'll knock it down.
Now we shoot bottle.
That or, we can tape a rag to the end of it.
Yeah,